जी हाँ, अब हम फाइन ब्रेकिंग वेव्स के एकदम करीब आ चुके हैं। हाँ, आप तालियों के गड़गड़ाहट से सुन सकते हैं कि
Welcome to Spaceverse, your cosmic gateway to the wonders of the universe. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this celestial journey where we explore the mysteries of space, from distant galaxies to our very own solar system. On this channel, we delve into the latest discoveries, mind-bending theories, and awe-inspiring visuals that will ignite your passion for the cosmos. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious space enthusiast, join our community as we embark on a voyage through the cosmos, unraveling the secrets of the great beyond. In a groundbreaking moment, India etched its name in history as the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft gracefully touched down on the Moon. Venturing into the unexplored realm of the lunar South Pole, the rover uncovered revelations that left the global scientific community astonished. So are you prepared to embark on a journey of discovery, unraveling the mysteries that awaited the rover as it traversed the Moon's surface? Here unfolds the narrative of India's most significant scientific achievement. The lunar touchdown of the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft occurred on August 23, 2023, elevating India to the fourth position among nations capable of safely landing on the Moon. Prior to this, only the former Soviet Union, the United States, and China had accomplished such a feat. Notably, India stands alongside China as one of the only two countries to attempt and succeed in lunar exploration during the 21st century. Anticipation surrounded the Chandrayaan-3 moon mission, promising to unveil unprecedented lunar secrets. Its mission was to delve into the uncharted territory of the Moon's South Pole, a region never before scrutinized, adding to the sense of national pride. The precise timing of Chandrayaan-3's landing coincided with Russia's failure to place a similar spacecraft, Luna 25, near the Moon's South Pole. The lunar South Pole carries immense scientific and strategic significance for global space powers, housing believed deposits of water ice. The discovery of this resource holds the potential to be harvested and transformed into drinking water or even rocket fuel for forthcoming space expeditions. Upon the Chandrayaan-3 lander's gentle touchdown, it unveiled a six-wheeled rover named Pragyan artfully concealed within the spacecraft's body, laden with a multitude of scientific instruments, including a laser for analyzing the Moon's regolith for water ice and the thin layer of gases constituting the Moon's exosphere. The rover also sported a seismometer to detect lunar interior quakes. Luckily, the Indian Space Agency swiftly confirmed that the lander and rover systems were in optimal condition post-touchdown. This could only imply one thrilling prospect. Exciting data was en route, and true to expectation, Chandrayaan-3 promptly commenced transmitting exclusive information almost immediately after its lunar touchdown. Following the triumphant completion of its mission, the rover was gently tucked into a lunar slumber as the sun dipped below the Moon's horizon. Since both the lander and rover relied on sunlight to replenish their batteries, the nation's space agency strategized to reawaken the duo with the advent of the next lunar day. Remarkably, the rover Pragyan covered a distance of 328 feet from the lander before succumbing to its celestial nap. Surprisingly, this is a considerable journey for the six-wheeled rover, cruising at a leisurely pace of 1 centimeter per second. More impressively, the rover navigated the treacherous terrain of the Moon's relatively uncharted South Pole, dodging craters with finesse. This extraordinary accomplishment owed its success to the innovative wheel mechanism known as the rocker bogie. In this ingenious system, the rover's wheels operated independently, facilitating traversal across the lunar surface, ascending and descending to circumvent craters. Curiously, the rover's movements were not automated. Instead, they were orchestrated by the vigilant command center in India, observing the Moon through the rover's eyes. The only hiccup was a slight delay in the images transmitted by the rover to the command center. This quirk meant that any command dispatched to the rover reached it mere steps away from potential challenges. Now, be prepared for a revelation as we unveil the secrets uncovered by Chandrayaan-3 at the Moon's South Pole. The lander, equipped with a temperature probe housing 10 sensors capable of delving 10 centimeters below the surface, initiated the collection of data from the lunar topsoil and a depth of 4 inches beneath the surface. The initial findings exposed a stark contrast in temperatures above and below the Moon's surface, setting the stage for what lies beyond. As the mercury soared to a scorching 60 degrees Celsius on the lunar surface, It sharply nosedived to a chilling -10 degrees Celsius, just 3 inches below ground. The Moon's temperature fluctuations are well known, ranging from a blazing 120 degrees Celsius in the morning to a bone-chilling -130 degrees Celsius at night. Some sun-deprived craters have even registered an astonishing -250 degrees Celsius. Intriguingly, the readings from Chandrayaan-3 differ from those captured by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. But thanks to the recent lunar visitor, scientists now understand that Moon temperatures are too warm for water ice to remain stable. Water requires temperatures below -160 degrees Celsius to transition from liquid to gas in the vacuum of space. Yet Chandrayaan-3's data indicated temperatures above -10 degrees Celsius at all depths sampled, suggesting the unlikely presence of water ice on the Moon's South Pole surface. However, hope springs beneath the surface. A considerable temperature fluctuation implies that the Moon's soil, known as lunar regolith, serves as an excellent insulator. This concept mirrors the cooling effect witnessed on a beach during a hot day. Just as sand doesn't conduct heat downward, the lunar regolith could shield water ice beneath the surface from the scorching temperatures above, presenting a natural insulator for potential space colonies on the Moon, keeping extremes of heat, cold, and radiation at bay. Chandrayaan-3 achieved another groundbreaking feat by identifying sulfur on the lunar surface. Using a laser detector, the rover unveiled a myriad of chemicals including aluminum, calcium, iron, chromium, titanium, manganese, and oxygen. However, the standout discovery was sulfur. Scientists suspected its presence on the Moon since the 1970s, but the rover's ability to measure it directly on the lunar surface rather than within a mineral or crystal marks a remarkable achievement. The significance of sulfur's discovery lies in its unexpectedness on the Moon, being a crucial element in molten rock. Researchers have long believed that the Moon's surface originated from a thick layer of hot molten rock, crystallizing over time into the Moon we recognize today. Detecting sulfur on the Moon's surface bolsters this theory, offering insights into lunar evolution. The imagination soars at the prospect of finally uncovering the origin story of Earth's Moon. Moreover, sulfur's presence hints at water ice on the lunar surface and kindles hopes for a prospective habitat on the Moon, given sulfur's role as a potent fertilizer for crops. But wait, there's more. Chandrayaan May 3 have struck gold with its latest revelation. The Vikram lander featured a cutting-edge instrument that not only measured vibrations from its own experiments, but also those generated by the rover and its activities. Can you fathom what it captured? A moonquake. When the Lunar Seismic Activity Instrument had its metaphorical ear to the lunar ground, it registered a subtle seismic event that swiftly faded into the background in just 4 seconds. Indian space scientists speculate that this event could be attributed to a minor moonquake or the impact of a minuscule meteorite. This exhilarating observation opens doors to new possibilities, providing researchers with fresh details and hypotheses for studying the Moon. As Vikram gauged the density and temperature of the Moon's ionosphere, it unveiled a relatively sparse blend of ions and electrons within the 100-kilometer thick layer of electrically charged plasma encircling the Moon's surface near the South Pole. Initial plasma measurements disclosed a range of 5 million to 30 million electrons per cubic meter, notably less than Earth's 1 million electrons per cubic centimeter. The silver lining lies in the fact that a less dense ionosphere facilitates the smoother transmission of radio signals. Imagine residing on the Moon. Communication with Earth would be swifter and the transmission of information seamless. Despite the lander's commendable achievements, it entered a brief slumber, marking another triumph for the Chandrayaan Moon mission. Executing the HOP experiment, the lander was commanded to engage its engines and leap from its current location to a new one. True to expectation, the lander ascended by 40 centimeters, covering a distance of 30 to 40 centimeters. The experiment's success affirmed that the spacecraft could potentially retrieve samples from the Moon, bringing them back to Earth or even facilitating human missions in the future. With the trove of secrets Chandrayaan-3 has unveiled in such a short span, excitement abounds for the future discoveries this mission holds. And that's it. Thank you for joining us on this lunar journey today. If you relish this video, please show your appreciation with a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more riveting space news. Until our next cosmic exploration, Keep venturing into the unknown. See you